Welcome to the MT325 RCD and ELCB tester tutorial. Do not press the test button unless both the PN and PE lamps are illuminated with the power supply on and the meter connected to the breaker. This would normally be via a power outlet located near the breaker. If the lamps are not lit, damage to the meter may not occur, but it could be hazardous to the operator. Therefore, turn the power supply off and check the connections to the power outlet. Disconnect the meter from the power source immediately if the test lamp goes on without pressing the test button. If other loads are connected to the same circuit as the breaker, such as refrigerators, they will cause a measurement error. To ensure accurate readings, disconnect all appliances and loads from the breaker circuit under test. Please take a moment to familiarize yourself with the tester's interface. Please see the tester's specifications displayed on screen now. Preparation. Set the trip current range switch to match the rated trip current of the breaker under test. Connect the tester to the breaker via a nearby power outlet and make sure both the PN and PE lamps are illuminated. If not, disconnect the tester and inspect the power outlet or board wiring for faults. No trip test. Set the function switch to No Trip, press and hold the test button. A current equal to 50% of the rated breaker sensitivity will flow for 2000 milliseconds. The breaker should not trip and the PN and PE lamps should remain on. If the breaker trips instead, the display will briefly show the trip time before clearing. Release the test button, then reverse the phase switch and repeat the test. Trip test. Set the function switch to Trip, press and hold the test button. A current equal to 100% of the rated breaker sensitivity will flow for up to 2000 milliseconds. The breaker should trip and all lamps should turn off. The display will show the trip time while the test button is held. Reset the breaker. Then reverse the phase switch and repeat the test. Trip times may differ between tests. Fast trip. Set the function switch to fast trip, press and hold the test button. Regardless of the trip current selected, the tester will send a 250 mA current for 40 milliseconds. The breaker should trip and all lamps should go out. The trip time will display while holding the test button. Reset the breaker, then reverse the phase switch and repeat the test. The breaker should trip within 40 milliseconds for both tests, otherwise it may be faulty. Thank you for watching.